What's going on YouTube? Today I am going to show you how to download and install Citra on your PC, so let's begin. First thing first, open up Google Chrome, open up Citra website, link is in the description, click download for Windows x64, now let it download, it will take just a couple of seconds. Take it to the desktop. Execute Citra. Just click next. Here you can change the location of installation. Click next. You can install both of them. So check on both and click next. Click on I accept the license. Click next. Don't click anything here, just click next, then click install. I have already installed it. Once it's done, it will say it's finished. Click on finish. Then you can delete the installer. Search Citra on your Windows search bar and then open file location. Drag it down on your desktop. Double click on Citra Canary. Once you are here, click on Emulation Configure. And set all the settings as mine for better experience in Pokemon games. Check the videos showing on the screen to see how to install games in Citra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.